Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nioka. So guys, today I'm doing a video because I got a lot of questions from people who are asking me like, why did I stop doing cooking videos? And I really wanted to address that because a lot of people are asking. So that's what this video will be about today. It won't be a very long video because it's not a long explanation type of thing. The answer is very simple to be honest. So guys, yeah, that's the video that I'm gonna give you guys today. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please remember to subscribe. All right, subscription is free and I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. Woo! Hey, to answer the question, why did I stop doing cooking videos? So the my new subscribers, they might not know this if they didn't like go back all the way to the first video that I did. When I just started YouTube, I used to do a lot of cooking videos. That's how I started. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka, and today we'll be making some chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. However, after quite a couple of videos, I actually stopped doing cooking videos, and the reason for that is because it's only me, right? Even right now, I'm standing on the road. Thank God I have my tripod. And I just put my tripod on this piece of block. Let me show you guys what's going on. So I have my tripod in my hand, and this is what I have my phone on, right? I wish I had someone to just hold the phone for me while I walk. You know, they're walking with me and all of that. But it's just me and my tripod, my gimbal actually. So what I have to do, I put my gimbal on this thing, and then I start recording. So oh, did I fix it properly this time? Let me fix it. I wish that this thing was a bit higher so I can actually stand up straight. I mean, I can stand up straight and talk to y'all, but my face is dark, so I have to like come close to the camera like this, or I might have to just change my background like this. But it's too much bush. Yes, bush there, Canada. Yes, bush there, Canada. Look like a somebody farm. I see some flowers on some over there, and most people plant flowers. So anyway, like, so when I just started YouTube, I used to do cooking videos. A lot of people are passing and looking at me like, what is this girl doing? Anyway, so yeah guys, as you can see, it's just me alone, right? And to do cooking videos, it takes a lot. Believe me, it takes a lot, because the food that I'm cooking could take like 30 minutes just to cook the food, right? But when I'm recording, it takes me almost the whole day to record, to this, to that. So it really takes a lot of time to do cooking videos. And to answer the question straight up, like, I haven't stopped doing cooking videos. Like, I would never stop doing it. But the thing is that for now, because I'm so busy, I'm actually coming from work right now. But because, as you guys know from the previous video, Canada is in the 3rd stage of lockdown, so the restaurants are closed. Before, the restaurants were open for dining, but now the restaurants are closed. So basically what we go to, I work only 4 hours today. I started like 2 p.m. and now it's like after 6. I left work at 6. So it's not a lot of hours anyway. Like, you just go to work, do what you have to do, and leave. Most of the time there are not much to do, so you just have to clean. Like, we have been cleaning since last week. by the time we're done, the kitchen is gonna be spotless, you know. Like we have been just cleaning the fridge, we clean the walls, we clean everywhere, everything. Like most of our job, like as soon as we're finished doing what we have to do, or in the midst of doing what we have to do, we're just cleaning, taking out the garbage, mopping the floor, sweeping the floor, mopping the fridge, sweeping out the fridge, cleaning all the walls and everything. And on the floor we have to use the brush and scrub the floors, you know, because really in the restaurant world we have cleaners coming in, right? But the chefs, we normally would have to like take out the garbage and I don't know why my video turned to this, but really it's a thing that's impacting me. So maybe in all my videos I'll be talking about it, not because I want to talk about it, but it's just that it's impacting me right now, you know. So when we're at work, it's just like basically cleaning up. So they said they're gonna lock down, be in this stage of lockdown for another 1 month, for 4 weeks, they said. So by the end of April, starting of May, we should be able to have the green light to like even open the patios, right? Because it's really affecting all of us. It's impacting the chefs. Imagine what the chefs have to go through. Like, yo, these people are losing money, right? And if they're losing money, because they're the ones in charge of the restaurant, right? We're just the workers. So they're losing money, we're losing money. And, you know, we just have to pray for the best at this point. If my mask blow away, I don't know I'm gonna cope because I don't have any more. So you better stay calm and don't blow. Don't let the wind take you away. So yeah guys, so anyway, back to the cooking video. So the reason why I haven't been posting any cooking videos is basically because I don't have anybody to record me and it takes a lot of time. So I just kind of pause for a bit. Like you'll see me doing cooking videos because I just opened my business and my pastry business. So yeah, I do pastries, I do banana bread and cookies, carrot cake, almost any pastry, to be honest. Like I can do it. Anyway, so yeah, I just opened my business, so I'll maybe do some clips of when I'm making the pastries and you'll see stuff like that. But before I used to like go into details and show you exactly what to do and all of that, but I don't think I would do that again because, as I said, it's just me alone and it takes a lot of time for me to cook while I'm recording at the same time, moving the tripod, adjusting this, cleaning up this, it's a lot. So if I had somebody to record me while I'm doing this, that's why I need to get married. I need to get married soon so my husband can help me. So my husband can help me to do my videos while I'm here talking. He will be behind the camera holding it, and you know. So anyway, so yes guys, that's to answer your question. I have not stopped doing cooking videos, but it's just that it takes a lot of time. I'm not doing it as frequent, as regular. So now most of my videos are gonna be vlogs because like times like these I can chat with you after work, right? While I'm going home, I might just bring my tripod, my gimbal with me all the time, my baby. Like I got this as a gift. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. For my birthday I got this gift and look, it has been helping me out right now. So yeah guys, anyway, I'm gonna show you it, but I have to take my phone off of it then show you. So yeah guys, like that's the answer to the question why I stopped doing cooking videos. Oh, I haven't stopped. Anyway guys, so I'm just here. I'm gonna go to take the train because the train station is literally right here. See, this is the train station, well, the back of it. So yeah, like, yeah. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me give you guys the better background. Like, I don't know what's going on with this thing. I don't know why these guys here at me. All right, yeah guys, so wait, let me adjust this thing. yeah guys, so that's this video, and I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Guys, you'll be seeing more of me on the regular. I'm not gonna leave you guys for so long. I've lived for a month and I'm not gonna leave you guys anymore, okay? Because I love you all. Please remember to subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell also. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment. The comments are very important to me, so leave a comment please. All right, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. God bless you. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.